Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
The process of desalination is depicted in the graph below. The ocean, salt or minerals, energy, and fresh water are the four elements depicted in the diagram. The ocean water is held in the vacuum in the first phase, as can be seen. After that, the water is pumped into the huge container. The salt and minerals in the water will soak and return to the ocean when exposed to sunshine. Finally, the application will provide us with fresh water. Finally, the diagram demonstrates how salty water transforms into fresh water.
The following graph depicts London's Fleet Street in the past and now. This is a stunning image that conveys a lot of information. According to this graph, there is a carriage in the center area that is black in color. This graph reveals that there is a bus in the right location, which is red in color. As you can see from this graph, there is a temple in the background that is white in color. The sun is shining brightly. The sky is clear and blue. Finally, this image is quite instructive.
The graph below depicts information on plastic bottle recycling. New bottles, refilling, used bottles, and plastic processing are among the phases. The initial stage, according to this graph, is to use empty newly created bottles. The second stage, according to this diagram, is to fill the empty bottles with drinks. The third stage, as shown in this graph, is to open the bottles and consume them, followed by the fourth step, which is to carry used bottles back to the manufacturer and use them as materials. The plastic ingredients are then transformed into fresh bottles that are ready to be filled. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
The wind machine is depicted in the illustration. The wind machine rotates counterclockwise, as seen in the graph, and the rotation is powered by the wind blades. We can also see that the benefit of this wind machine is that it does not pollute the environment, while the downside is that it is reliant on wind power. Finally, the image depicts a detailed description of the wind machine.
This line graph depicts the information about a product's life cycle, which shows how sales fluctuate over time. The line chart includes 4 phases: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Sales begin at 0 and climb steadily, followed by growth, in which sales continue to rise. When a company reaches maturity, sales reach their peak, and when it enters decline, revenues begin to diminish steadily. Finally, this line chart provides very detailed information on the product life cycle.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.